I'm going to
And you're going to need.
place bombs at the right places
Mm,
so that the damage
the gas
becomes
fire goes out.
concentrated rather than
Okay,
proliferates.
cool. So your bomb power plus, let's say, might,
That's what I
right?
was going to say is might. Yeah.
Okay, go for it. So you need a difficulty of 10, so minus 10 to whatever you're getting ready to roll.
That's fine, but I also what happens if I activate my criminal suspicions? I have a I
Well,
have a bad rep for dodgy
you
illegal
can
actions
absolutely
wherever I
add it.
go.
You add it, and yeah, like I told Karen, I will
Wait,
make your life miserable
I
later.
missed. I know that. What do I
Excuse me,
get?
sir. We have you on camera with a large amount
Oh,
of plastic explosives. Would you like to
What do you
explain
get?
where that came from?
What do I get?
What do you have that set at? Because I don't see it on your character sheet here.
Yeah.
What
Oh,
is your
it's
is it
external. I don't know what that means
right? It's
though.
an external, but you got 5 points to allocate
Oh,
between all three of these. So what rank would it be?
2. So I've
Okay, so
got a
that one's at a
2 and a
2.
2 and
So
a
one of these is either at a 2 or
yeah. I got the other. I hadn't allocated them. Now I have. Okay. So I got a 2.
okay, so it's a 2. You would get 2 hero points.
Oh, 2 hero points. Awesome. Well, I'm going to
Yes.
spend them right
So
away.
you
Well, I need them. Spend them when I need them. Okay. So therefore, and I already had a shitload. I mean, I already had 14 hero points.
you can't have 14. How the hell did you get 14? Hold on here. Let's see. So twice your ability level, so that'd give you 6. Your MR would give you 3. You should have 9
All right.
hero points, I think.
Still a lot. That's good.
It is still a lot, but
Unless you had some sort of.
Gotcha. All right.
Oh,
Well, I
it's
just got
twice.
no, hold on.
That,
No. So it'd be 6. It would be 6 plus 3. So yeah, you would have 9.
Well, now
You
I
should
have
have
11.
9.
Okay.
So here
I should have higher.
I'm going to make my roll, which is going to be my bomb has level 9, and our might is 3. So I'm going to add 12 and take away 10. Right?
Yep. You have plus 2. Yep.
Mm-hmm.
Absolutely.
And my total with the plus is 18. I did not roll doubles.
That is really good. So that means you get.
Can I spend hero points to bump up the success?
You may do so, sir. Yes.
I want another
How many
level
would
of success.
Okay, so that would just be 1 additional hero point. So that bumps it up. So that's 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so you guys ace that phase as well. The gas mains, you guys basically stop them. You guys divert stuff, and then the buildings are starting to collapse because they're all old. So into this phase, you guys need to get 13 points. With a difficulty of minus 15 to your rolls. So it's getting increased.
I thought we were already into this phase.
No. You guys were still in phase 2.
Oh, all right.
But you guys have gotten so many points that you guys have a spillover of 8 points into phase 2. You need 13 points to finish this, right? You guys have 8 points, meaning you guys only need 5 points now.
Fantastic. Take it away. But minus 15 to the rolls, not minus 10.
No, yeah, it's way harder now. Right. Basically, the event, it gets harder and harder by the phase, in one way or another. But anyway, so we'll start with Fearstrike now. Buildings are starting to crumble and collapse.
I thought I just went, but is that okay?
Yeah, basically we're going back and then going back so that, you know.
Okay. So in that, well, I already just bombed, and that was my best. That was one of my best things to do. So unfortunately, now I'm going to have to kick back to some other things. It says here that I can reach out through and sift through the minds of a group of people.
Okay.
With my mind reading, so there is no specific target. But then again, it's got a huge penalty. What I was hoping was to just kind of do like a big scan to see if I could find a person who's causing this. But it's a brutal roll, and I'm not that good at it.
Well, it's not a brutal roll. It's a minus 15 because it's all kind of abstracted right
but I've
now.
already got, but the DOD is increased by plus 10 for every 20 people.
Yeah, don't worry about that.
Oh, no?
Just
Okay,
give me the.
Okay, cool. Then
Just
I'm
give
not
me
too
the.
worried about it. Right. Well, my mind reading is only 4, and this is definitely going to be insight, I believe.
Okay. Yep.
Right? So that's plus 7. So that's minus 8 to the roll.
Minus 8. This is what makes separates the heroes from the other player characters. The ones we're actually going to save today.
Pressure.
Once you guys have
Mr. Double H, double zeros. Now,
yeah, exactly.
Now I
hey, listen,
find out whether I'm a hero. That time didn't
that's right.
count. I see.
That's right. Now you guys are doing great, man. 5 points
not this time. No, I end up below 0.
Okay. Do you want to ride with the below 0?
Nope.
Okay, this is what you can do. These are your options. You spend 1 hero point. You can spend 3, but if you spend 1 hero point, that negates the critical failure. It'll just make it a failure. If you wanted to spend 3 points, that would get you from 0 to 9. It would get you to a partial. If you wanted to do that.
Could be worse. I mean, what we really want to do is accumulate points, right? I mean, that's
what
we're trying to
Actually,
do.
Spend 2. If you spend 2 points, that'll get you to a partial, because 9 will only get you to a partial anyway. Right. So if you spend 2, you'll get to a partial. Is that what you want?
Yeah, I'm spending the 2 points that I had already gained. So yeah, I'm good.
Okay. So you do that.
Actually,
and
I just chewed into one of my own. That's all right.
Yes. And because of the failure, you get this. You reach out like you're trying to reach into like the mass hive mind of this city, and you guys see Fearstrike just throw up. There's something inside you that, like, you touch something that is so bad and so immense that you can't take it. And the only thing you ever felt like, have you ever taken it's like this iodine stuff when they do MRIs and stuff, so they
tequila, yes.
Yeah, and you get that heat that wells up inside you. It's like an internal heat that you can't physically cool down. And you feel that, like, you're just like, and you just start throwing up because of it.
Jerry, I'd like to trigger my disadvantage.
That whole have you ever part there, my answer is no.
Okay, it is terrible. I've had like this procedure done where they put like this stuff in me, which heated up your blood. And it was the weirdest feeling ever. And, they're doing scans, but they're putting the stuff in there to track. And I started to foam at the mouth because, you just couldn't stop. It was the most uncomfortable, like, visit ever to the doctor. But,
no, a man of your age, that's saying something.
Yeah, yeah, true. But yeah, this one was bad. But anyway, that's what happens to you.
We're interrupting. Renee, I want to hear the disadvantage. I'm sorry. Go ahead.
Yeah. My disadvantage is I have a strong gag reflex. So when he starts throwing up, I start to throw
up. Oh, no.
So take your points.
That's my internal disadvantage.
Okay, so she looks over as you're like looking. You're like
have that as a disadvantage? Oh, no.
That's my internal disadvantage. I have a strong gag reflex. So if somebody throws up, there's a really bad smell.
Yeah, so
somebody like has a really runny nose.
Mm-hmm. Right, you just start to okay. So she just starts puking too. So there's 2 people puking.
I'm gonna try and sputter
You're
out.
going to make a con check because 2 people just beside you start puking.
But,
I think I have to. Yeah. Just in the case, I'm going to make a roll. Just okay.
I only took it as my one disad, but I thought it'd be kind of
good
funny.
enough.
Anyway,
between chunks, I will attempt to communicate that there is an entity that probably is causing this that is very big.
Yes, it is. What is Xenophon doing?
Oh, okay. This news kind of changes my thoughts. So the buildings are still coming down, I suppose, and that's
how many points did I get?
You got 1 point on top of it, so you guys are at 9 points right now.
Mm-hmm. And we need 14, did you say, or 15?
More. 13
you need more. You need 13 points total, and you guys are at 9.
Okay. I am trying to remember my legends and my history. He said there was something big, therefore it's not probably invisible, so it's down under here. Is
Now,
there
big
any?
could also be just its power-wise. I mean, it
okay.
could be like,
Okay,
something
right.
is big, but they are of immense
Excuse
power.
me, but the game
Okay.
master's words to my telepathic probe
Right?
was immense.
It is immense,
So
yes.
we are not going to have any qualifications or thesaurus checks.
Fair enough, fair enough. Yes. Something of immense power.
Immense power. Okay, well, immense
Ginormous.
power, not immense size, though. Okay.
It could be both.
Oh God. Okay. Well, I think I'm going to have to deal with the buildings. They're coming down. They're coming down in massive chunks. I'm going to try and make those chunks a bit more manageable. All those buildings have water running through them. Okay, they've got water
Okay.
pipes everywhere. I'm going to try and
Okay.
hold them together and slow the things. Now I'm egging it. In other words, I'm using the same power again, but I'm actually just going to try because it's. Yeah, I think it's a minus on me on top of the other minuses, but I think it's the only one.
Yeah.
I'm going to try and hold them so that they come down and
you've
lay
got
them
the hero
down
points,
gently.
right? I mean, this is where the heroes
Yeah.
make their effort, right? We'll see what we can do.
Exactly.
Okay,
Yeah,
so
yeah.
you're getting ready to do what I refer to in the game as spamming your roll.
Spamming, egging it. Yeah.
Yes. So, determine success, conceptualizing the event. Hold on. I got to find my rules. Oh,
Oh, do
do
you
your
know
voice, do your impression of me, Renee.
Huh?
Do your impression.
What,
I'm
the version I
period.
did?
My game. Yes.
I can't do it again. I do this thing so off the cuff. I don't know.
I know. Okay, so it's an additional -5, so -20 to your roll
Wow.
instead of
okay.
-15.
So if I roll a 20, I got a 0.
No doubles.
Okay, let's
So
see.
double
So
rolls
what
for
is?
your hope.
Oh. Okay. Yep. Right. We can do this. So I have
Sounds
a
like a
-20
noise.
to the roll,
Okay.
plus 10 for the elemental manipulation, and this is, I'm assuming, some kind of. Which of the stats apply? Do the group stats apply?
You got authority, fortitude. You could do fortitude. I mean, you're
Fortitude
trying
makes
to
Trying to
keep.
hold things
Yeah.
together, yeah.
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 So
Fortitude
plus
sounds
4.
good. Yeah. Yep. Okay. So +4. So -6 net. Here we go. Come on, double something.
You-
It's a good roll. It's an 18 on the roll.
Ouch.
-4, is it? -5? -4. Wasn't it?
-4.
-4. So a 14 net.
Could be worse. You want a hero point it?
So you got
Yeah, that's not bad.
That's actually one success. That's enough to, it didn't fail horribly.
If you put in 3 hero
okay.
points, would we get another point? Remember, we're trying to scratch out points.
Yep, I can use my own hero points.
Is this our
Three of my
last?
own-
Is this
three
our
of my own
last
hero
phase.
points.
You gotta
This is the
vote
last
for the
round.
game.
round?
Yeah.
blow
Yeah,
Three
this
of
is
my own
last
hero
round.
points just to kind of slowly bring the buildings, let them drop slowly.
Okay,
rather
so
than,
what is
I
your
can't keep
roll
them all.
after the 3 hero points spent? That added +9 to your roll.
27. There's no
27.
35. Yeah.
Yeah, but
Well, sorry,
27 is pretty dang good.
27 minus the whatever it was, 4, wasn't it? So 23. Sorry, 23.
Okay, 23. So that's good. So 1, 2, 3, 4,
Smart 3.
6.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So Renee, what did you do? What does Ditto do? I know.
Wipe my mouth.
Yeah, right. Whatever potato and chicken finger food you ate at the bar.
Try. I have my little cup with the Alka-Seltzer. Drink it. Okay, and then I'm gonna probably use
I like
my evade.
Okay.
I'm going to and I'm just gonna kind of be dodging in and out of stuff falling. Again, just trying to just help people. It's all about helping people.
Absolutely.
Not die.
So give it to me -15, and that's going to be mobility plus your evade. We'll say, unless you've got some other insight into it.
No, that's fine. Mobility is what? 3?
+3. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So I have a 8. My evade. So
So you have an 11.
11.
-9 to your roll.
This roll.
No, you have
-9.
minus. Oh, no. Hold on. The difficulty is 15. If you have an 11, it's -4. Sorry.
-4.
I'm thinking of his
Okay.
roll. Yeah. You
So
got it.
-4 to this roll.
Yeah. Just roll high.
Roll at 11.
That's a good
average.
Still a partial.
Not really. That's partial. I don't know even if I put.
Yeah.
How many hero points? I don't even know how many hero points I actually have.
Oh, you definitely have more than
85?
Yeah, you don't. Well, what it is, you can just ride the partial if you want it, unless you guys want to go spectacularly overboard.
Wait, are you saying the partial will finish us out, right? Is that correct?
Yeah, you guys will be golden with the partial. If you didn't want to spend 0 points.
Oh, come on, look good though. Come on.
True. Because here's the thing, whatever you guys finish with at the end of like an event, if you guys go over, that translates into renown.
Right, we need a renown.
So,
Okay. Well, what do I got? I got a 7. So a 7, and to get to a success, I need 11, right?
You need 2 hero points to get to.
Sure, I'll spend them.